Hey learners, Pranshi Verma this side. Welcome to my channel guys. In today's YouTube session, we are going to learn machine design second sample multiple choice question and answer. And guys, multiple choice question and answer आप cover कीजिए, that's well and good. But please अपने syllabus पर, syllabus theory पर numerical है, so numerical भी अच्छे से cover कीजिए as well as multiple choice question and answer भी. Now let's proceed. In this, your first question is, the sleeve of muff coupling is designed as a hollow shaft. Okay, so here right answer is option D, hollow shaft. Okay, next question. A sliding bearing in which the working surface are completely separated from each other by lubricant is called zero film bearing. Is true or false? Is false. Okay, so guys, this statement is false. Next question. The screw used for power transmission should have high efficiency. Okay. Option B. Next. The number of reverts in shear shall be equal to the number of reverts in crushing is correct. Option A is right here. Next. When vehicle gears connect two shafts whose axes intersect at an angle greater than a right angle and one of the bevel gears has a pitch angle of 90 degree, then they are known as crown bevel gears. Option B. Next question. The toughness of a material blank space when it's heated. Option B decreases. Means the toughness of a material decreases when it's heated. Next question. The number of slots in a 25 mm castle nut is 6. Okay. Option C is right here. Next question. A screw is said to be overhauling screw if its efficiency is more than 50%. Okay. Option B. Next question. The application of third type levers is found in a pair of tongs. Okay. Right answer is option D. Next question. For unequal width of butt straps, the thickness of butt straps are 0.5 T for wide strap on the inside and 0.625 T for narrow strap on the outside. Okay, so right answer is option A. Next question. In second type of levers, load is in between the fulcrum and effort. Okay, right answer is option A. Next question. Solder work relation is based on blank space of the material, whereas failure relation for dynamic loading are based on ultimate strength of the material. Here right answer is option B, yield strength. Okay, so the Sauber-Berg relation is based on yield strength of the materials, whereas all other failure relation for dynamic loading are based on ultimate strength of the material. Okay, next question. In a flange coupling, the flange are coupled together by means of bolts and nuts. Okay, option A is right here. Next, a transmission shaft includes counter shaft, line shaft and overhead shaft. The right answer here is option D, all of these. Okay, next question. According to IBR, shearing resistance required to shear off the rivet per pitch length in double shear is where N is equal to number of rivets per pitch length. Okay, according to this, right answer is option A, 1.875 multiply N divided 5 multiply N divided by 4 multiply D square, then multiply T and multiply N. Okay, right answer is option B, and this is very important question. Kindly focus on it. Next, a locking device in which the bottom cylindrical portion is recessed to receive the tip of the locking set screw is called ring nut. Okay, next question. Slenderness ratio is the ratio of effective length of column to least radius of gyration of the column. Option C. Okay. Next, A crankshaft is a blank space shaft. Right answer is option A, transmission. A crankshaft is a transmission shaft. Next question. According to Indian standard specification, 100 H6 divided by G5 means that the basic size is 100 mm. Okay, right answer is option B. Next question. The velocity of sliding blank space, the distance of the point of contact from the pitch point, right answer is option A, is directly proportional to, means the velocity of sliding is directly proportional to the distance of the point to contact from the pitch point. Next, a column is known as a long column if the slenderness ratio is option D, 100. Okay. A column is known as long column if the slender ratio is 100. Next, circumferential joint in boilers is used to get the required length of a boiler is true. Next question. The valve bearings are provided with a catch to maintain the valves at a fixed distance apart. Okay, so right answer is option D. Next, when screw threads are to be used in a situation where power is being transmitted in one direction only, then the screw thread suitable for this will be buttress threads. Option D. Okay. Next question. In radium cams, the follower moves in a direction perpendicular to the cam axis. Option A. Okay. Next. The square threads are not so strong as B threads, but they offer less frictional resistance to motion than with Worth threads is correct. Option A is right here. Okay. Next question. According to Unwin's formula, the relation between the diameter of rivet hole D and the thickness of plate T is given by where D and T are in mm. Okay. So right answer is option D. D is equal to 6. T. Okay, T is thickness here. Okay. Next, in order to avoid tearing of the plate at an edge, the distance from the center line of the rivet hole to the nearest edge of the plate should be equal to where D is equal to diameter of rivet hole. So right answer is option B, 1.5 diameter. Okay. D. Next, the value of stress concentration factors depends on material and geometry of the part. Option C. Next question. Which of the following materials has the maximum ductility? Right answer is option A, mild steel. Mild steel material has the maximum ductility. Next question. When a bolt is subjected to shock loading, the resilience of the bolt should be considered in order to prevent breakage at the thread. Option C is right here. Next question. In order to obtain the bolts of uniform strength, an axial hole is drilled through the head as far as the threaded portion such that the area of shank becomes equal to the root areas of the thread is true. Okay guys, next question. An open belt drivers is used when shafts are arranged parallel and rotate in the same directions. Okay. Next question. In unilateral system of tolerance, the tolerance is allowed on option B, one side of the nominal side. Next question. The constant factor in case of R10 series of preferred number is 1.26. Option C. Next. The pipe joint mostly used for pipes carrying water at low pressure is socket joint. Option A is right answer here. Next, according to guest theory, the failure occurs at a point in a member when the maximum shear stress in a biaxial stress system reaches the shear stress at elastic limit in simple tension test is true. Okay. Next. For maximum power, the velocity of the welt will be option C, means under root T divided by 3m. Option C is right here. Next, surface endurance limit of gear materials depended upon its Brinell hardness number. Option C. Next question. In an hydrodynamic lubricated bearing, there is a thick film of lubricant between the journal and the bearing. Option A is right here. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct for gears? So right answer is option D, means it's included. The addendum is less than dedendum. Option B, the pitch circle is diameter is equal to the product of module and number of teeth is right, and option C is also right. This is the pitch circle is always greater than the base circle. Okay, so they all are right option statement here. So right answer is option D. All of the above statements are right. Next, a flanked pipe joint will be a leak-proof joint if the circumferential pitch of the bolts is where D is equal to diameter of bolt hole. Right answer is option C, between 20 diameter and 30 diameter. Okay. Next, stress concentration is caused due to abrupt change of cross section. Option C. Next, the resistance of fatigue of a material is measured by endurance limit. Next, the load cup of a screw jack is made separate from the head of the spindle to prevent the rotation of load being lifted. Option C. Next question. Two shafts A and B under pure torsion are of identical length and identical weight and are made of the same materials. Okay. The shaft A is solid and the shaft B is hollow. We can say that shaft B is better than shaft A. Option A is right here. Next question. The center distance between two meshing involute gears is equal to option A, sum of base circle radius divided by cos phi. Okay. So here right answer is option A, sum of base circle radius divided by cos phi. Next question. Which of the following statement is wrong? So here wrong statement is option B. The V-belt drive is used with large center distance. Okay, so this statement is wrong here. So right answer is option B. Next question. In a flange coupling, the thickness of flange is taken as 1/2 the diameter of shaft is yes. Means A is agree here. So this statement is true. Okay. Next question. The rolling contact bearing are known as anti-friction bearings. Okay. Next question. The size of a gear is usually specified pitch circle diameter. Okay, option B. Next question. The circumferential and longitudinal strain in a cylindrical boiler under internal steam pressure are epsilon C and epsilon L respectively. The change in volume of the boiler cylinder per unit volume will be option B, means 2 epsilon C plus epsilon L. Okay. Next question. The bearings of heavy series have capacity blank space over the medium series. So right answer is option B, 20 to 30%. The bearings of heavy series have capacity 20 to 30% over the medium series. Next question. A steel containing more than 0.8% carbon is known as eutectoid steel is no. Okay, so right answer is option B, no. This statement is false. Next, in leaf springs, the longest leaf is known as master leaf. Option B. Next, the taper on coder varies from 1 in 48 to 1 in 24. Right option is option D. Next, which of the following screw thread is used for power transmission in one direction only? Is buttress threads. Okay, buttress threads screw thread is used for power transmission in one direction only. Next, when the bearing is subjected to large fluctuations of load and heavy impacts, the bearing characteristics number should be blank space, the bearing modulus. So right answer is option C, 15 times. Okay. When the bearing is subjected to large fluctuations of load and heavy impacts, the bearing characteristics number should be 15 times the bearing modulus. Okay guys, now let's wind up the lecture. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Wish you very all the best for your examination. Thank you.